Alright guys, now that our development part is complete, it's finally time to deploy the app so that the faucet can be used by everyone. And we're gonna deploy this to vercel. So you can come to vercel.com, log in, come to the dashboard and create a new project. Click on create a new project. And I'm assuming that you're familiar with GitHub, so push the code to GitHub if you have not done already. So I'll just do that quickly. Status, I'll change it one file and dot, just gonna add a commit message, push it just like that. And now I'm gonna import my repository, which is this one. You can see that it's pushed right now, and I'm just gonna come to the dashboard, click on import. Yeah, so you can give the project any name you want, so I'm just gonna keep the Solana dev faucet 1. And the next thing is the environment variable. So remember, we have put the side key, which was one of our environment variable, inside env.local. So the same thing we'll have to add to our deployment environment. So this is the advantage that I was talking about earlier. So it's not exposed, and like the security is not compromised in any way. So we have that. I'm just going to click on add. So our side key is added. Now we just have to click on deploy, and vercel will take care of the rest. And you can see the deployment is in progress. So boom, we have gone live and our app is deployed. So we can just click on go to dashboard, and this is the domain that is there. So if we click on that, we can see there's one small issue, as it says error for site owner, invalid domain for site key. So we'll have to add this domain to our reCAPTCHA again. So we'll just come here to our reCAPTCHA dashboard, and along with localhost we just add this one as well, just like that. Click on save. There we go. Now come back to the deployment, press that, and there we go. So our app is live. And yeah, so if you want some Sol tokens for development, you can come in here and request for the faucet and get yourself some Sol tokens. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the tutorial and learn something from it. So like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. So I'll be planning more web3 and front-end related videos in the future, and definitely everything related to tech. And yeah, if you have some suggestions or feedback or comments, write them down in the comments, and I'll be reading those, and we'll be getting back to you. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you.